My name is Hilary, my last name is Monbouquet, and I live in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. For a long time, especially with my neck, it was just something I put off, and oh, it's not that bad and I'll get better, I'll take Advil, and it was a full-time problem, and I finally said to myself, I can't fix this part-time. I was going to the doctor trying to figure out a little bit of what's going on with my neck. And the first thing they do is they want to x-ray. Okay, well they x-ray and we see all these problems. Oh sure, if you want to go see a chiropractor, that's fine. He was like, oh, in 3 years of doing this 2 to 3 times a week, we'll get you stable enough that you can, move on. But, we're just kind of maintaining, trying to make it not worse. Every specialist I went to found something that they thought I had, and none of it was a good fit. And none of the things that they said should help really did help. And then I saw Amanda and she was like, oh yeah, we can do a lot. We can address everything. I love her honesty and I love her expectation sets. So when I came in particular with my neck and then again with my ankle, the ankle's been chronic my whole life, and she's like, you're not probably going to get to 100%. We have to be realistic, but we're going to get you to a place that's so much better than you've been since you were like a teenager. And it's true, the balance and the mobility, the flexibility, the resilience in the ankle now, I honestly can't remember it feeling this good.
Good. Awesome, that was good technique.
The idea or the prospect that maybe I'd have to tone down my riding or maybe stop it altogether, that's a little heartbreaking. Then you get into physical therapy and you're like, oh, if it can't all be fixed, it can all be made better. At least to a degree where you can function and be happy with it. I can't say that I don't do silly things or as I'm running, step in a pothole, but the resiliency that I have in my ankle now, it's just not a big deal. Amanda gave me a path, and it led me to wellness and happiness and strength, and that's it. I don't really need a doctor right now. Physical. I'll still go with my physical.